Hey everyone, it's Hayden with Town & Country Marine. Today we're going to show you how to install your Eclipse cover on your new Barletta boat. This is new for 2026 and beyond. This is their pole-less cover system, so you don't have to use any spreader poles. The design of this cover just allows the water to drain out the front of the boat. Let me show you. So step one, drop down the bimini top into the stow position. Step number two, make sure your bow gate is open and behind the doorstop there. Step number three is get your cover out. And you want to find the front of the cover. So the front of the cover will have a little tag that says forward center, and it'll also be where you can see the mesh will start, and you'll have this piece of reinforced material right here, and this is where the edge of the pontoon or the deck will sit up against the bow stop on the trailer. So on each side there's a little bungee, red for the port side, green for the starboard side, so you know which side to put them on. That bungee is going to go onto the forward cleats. So this bungee right here, just wrap it all the way around the base like that. Okay, and then you want to make sure the cover goes over top. And then you've got your other bungee with the green for the starboard side. That. Make sure it's over the front. And like I said, make sure your bow gate's open so this gutter works properly. Now you just pull the back of the cover toward the back of the boat, close your side gate, pull it all the way back. You're gonna just make sure it goes down the side of the boat, and you're gonna wanna kind of tug back the slack as you work your way aft on the boat. Through the walk-through here, and then the cover's gonna go over top of the bimini. So I would just step under, pass it over like this. Make sure it goes down the sides. And you should see these little corner seams right here, right on the corner of the bimini. So just give that a pull until that's right on the side of the bimini on both sides. Okay. And then if you have stanchions on your boat, there's a little bit of a trick here. If you don't have stanchions, then it'll just go right down to the deck. But there's a clip here. I'm gonna undo the clip, open up all the Velcro here, and you wanna get it down and reattach the Velcro, but you're just gonna go over top of the stanchions here. So the back half goes under the stanchions, the front half goes over the stanchions. Like that, just join up that Velcro. And then you want to just make sure this clip is in the middle right here. And then there's this little bit of strap that comes back here. You just want that over the rear cleat. Tuck it underneath the cleat like so. And then do the same on the other side. Okay, and then once you get that done up on both sides, there's a little strap on the top here. You're just gonna loop that around your ski bar and then back onto itself. Again, just tighten that. Make sure the slack is pulled back as much as possible. Okay, then the last step is you're gonna tighten the entire cover down using the ratchet system at the back here. Just keep tightening that. Make sure you're tightening it both ways so these ratchets kind of stay in the middle here. And you'll feel it start to tighten up there. And then once you get it all nice and tight like that, close the ratchets up. And it should be pretty snug back here. It's not gonna be super tight, but what you wanna make sure is at the top here that the gutter that runs the length of the cover kind of slopes downward toward the bow of the boat, so all your water drains out. Hope that helps.